Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the fundamental concept of object-oriented programming or OOP. In previous video, I gave you brief introduction to the OOP and history of object-oriented programming. In this video, we will talking about classes and objects. Let's start with class. Think it is like blueprint. A class is a user-defined data type. It consists of data members and member functions which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. Think of a class as blueprint for creating an object. Just as a blueprint defines the structure and properties of a building, a class defines the attributes and methods like functions that object of that class will possess. In other words, a class is a template. A class is a template for creating objects with similar characteristics and behaviors. Imagine you are an architect designing a house. Okay, you create a blueprint that specifying attribute like the number of rooms, windows, and doors, as well as method or action like opening doors, turning on lights. This blueprint serves as the template for constructing multiple houses with similar features. This is the blueprint. You create different houses using this one blueprint. Now look into what is object. Object is an instance of a blueprint. It is a basic unit of object-oriented programming and represent the real-life entities. Objects are implements of a class. They are tangible entities that bring the class blueprint to life. Each object created from a class inherits its attribute and method, but can have its own unique values for those attributes. Going back to the house analogy, think of each house constructed based on the blueprint as an object. Each house has the same attributes specified in the blueprint, such as rooms, windows, and doors. However, each house can have unique value for those attributes, such as the color of the walls, the type of the furniture, like that. Now, here we have simple class defining in Python. This house class has an init method, which is a special method called constructor. This init method called a constructor. It initializes the object's attributes, in this case rooms and colors. These are the attributes. We also have a method called describe that provides the description of a house. This house has rooms and is painted with that color. Now let's create an object from this house class. We can create an object or an instance of house class like this. This code create a house with 4 rooms that painted in blue, and then print out this description. This room has 4 rooms and is painted blue.